Let's use the iceberg model of culture to help us understand this case study. On the surface, we can observe some things. For example, the members of the family Marie stayed with don't usually have meals together. Each family member has their own weekend activities. Marie is not making plans on her weekends, and the extended family is not really part of their day-to-day life. Now, let's dive below the waterline. What are the values guiding the behaviors that we're observing? First, maybe the concept of family is different for Marie than it is for the family. Second, perhaps the family places more value on independence than Marie does. And third, both parties might have a different understanding of the relationship between the individual and the community. Marie's collectivistic tendencies become clearer when she is surprised by the family not having shared meals or spending time together on the weekends. She also expresses her collectivistic expectations when she is frustrated for not being invited to join the family's activities on the weekend and starts to wonder if it is something personal against her. For Marie, it is unusual that she has not been introduced to the extended family and that they don't get together very often. Trying to make sense of the situation, Marie ends up convincing herself that the family is embarrassed of her and/or that her presence might be generating discomfort. On the other hand, the more individualistic nature of the host family members can be found in the fact that they have very different daily routines and don't seem to value spending time together. They also seem to value letting each family member decide how they want to spend their free time, and they expect Marie to do the same. It might simply be that the family is trying to be respectful of Marie's needs and give her space to do whatever she feels like during the weekends. They might not understand why Marie ends up staying home most weekends. When Marie suggests she should leave early, chances are they are confused because they don't understand what could be wrong. So, what are the values guiding the behaviors that we're observing? First, being part of a family is a very important element in Marie's identity and routine, and her understanding of how people in a family should relate to each other is different than the understanding held by the family she is staying with. Second, while the family is proud of the freedom and space they are giving Marie, Marie is puzzled by the level of independence among the different family members and assumes that it means that something is wrong.